Okay, guys, I don't know what happened, but I think I did something, I don't know. So, yeah. I'm just gonna show this game is about. But that's abstract. Come on, big jump here. Oh, I can whip it. What? What just happened? Hit the jump, hit the jump. I need more speed.
Is it the best car crash simulator? Just look how realistic it is. Wow. It's so good. You can customize your car and test it in different amazing locations.
Okay, this game is good, but you can play it more, you know? So, yeah. And this will be the end of the video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.